If you also want to create such t-shirt mockups and sell it on Etsy, then you are at the right place. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic t-shirt mockups to sell it on Etsy. Mockups are a great way to showcase your designs and attract potential customers. Here, we'll be using Photoshop to create the mockup. So, let's open it and see how it's done. Here we have the image where we'll place our design. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your layer. Now, go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Change its radius to around 8 and hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command S and save this file. Name it to Displacement. After you save it, delete the layer which you blurred. Now, go to your design, copy it and place it in the document. Adjust it by pressing Ctrl or Command T. Change its blending mode to multiply. Go to Filter, Distort and Displace. Here, change the horizontal and vertical scale to 15 and click OK. Open the file that you saved earlier, named Displacement. Now, right-click on the layer and choose Blending Options. Move the right slider of the underlying layer towards left and break it by pressing Alt or Option. Click OK. So there you have it, an amazing t-shirt mockup ready in no time. You can use your own designs, place it on t-shirts and earn a good amount by selling it on Etsy. So do try this out and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.